Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Eastern Pennsylvania, north central Suffolk County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 11 p.m. And at 1 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over
10 miles south of Reading, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any-size hail.
are indicated. In fact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Martin, Loran, Flying Hills, and Regan.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.